Okay, just in case. I don't think this is gonna start, but hey, if it does, great. Oh, wow. Look, they're still spinning the heart of the bitch. And my freaking handle doesn't rotate. Oh my gosh. Oh! Okay. That was just a thick fall over. Oh, that's what we're using. Yeah! Okay, I didn't expect that to start, and the throttle isn't hooked up. Okay, well I'm frickin' happy. Hell yeah! What's her shit? Yeah! Yeah! I did not expect that to start today. I was just around it. I did not expect that to start at all. What? My legs are actually shaking. But yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm shaking because I didn't expect it to actually start. Okay. Now I gotta figure out why the thing wouldn't throttle down. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if we can. Well, it wasn't hooked up, so throttle here. Why is that? You don't know how happy I am to finally have that start. That means I did this thing right. Yes! But we really need to hook up. The throttle wasn't hooked up at all. I'm still fucking. That was great. Okay, I need to. Do I have a cotter pin here? Let me see. So, while I was looking over this trying to find a cotter pin to hold that in place, I realized I had made a big mistake. So this is the on-off switch for this tractor. Here's the wire. Yeah, it's not hooked up to the magneto. Okay, no idea how happy I am that that thing just started on me. All right? I started this project over a decade ago. I started this at least when I was in 8th grade or maybe even 7th grade. I don't remember exactly when I started this thing. I am currently 24 years old. And this thing just ran. You have no idea how fucking happy I am that that just started on me. Yes! Now I gotta do is hook everything else up, but god damn it! I'm fucking happy! That was great!